University is a whirlwind. Get ready for a mix of excitement, nerves, and everything in between. Here's a peek at the emotional roller coaster you might ride during your first few weeks. Pre-departure panic. The night before, your mind will race with worries. Will you make friends, like your course? Click with roommates? Deep breaths, it'll all work out. Excitement takes over. Fear gets mixed with a thrill for the new adventure ahead. Buckle up, it's going to be wild. Saying goodbye blues, waving goodbye to loved ones might bring on a wave of nostalgia. Don't worry, they'll still be there, just a phone call away. Second thoughts creep in. As you head to campus, doubts might surface. Did I make the right choice? Remember, change is scary but exciting too. Flatmate meet cute, or not. Meeting your flatmates can be nerve-wracking, but seeing their normal folks, well, kind of, can be a huge relief. Homesickness hits. Unpacking your room while your family just left can trigger a bout of homesickness. Remember, you'll create a new home here too. Friendships bloom. Heading out with flatmates can banish the blues. Time to start making memories. Accent annoyance. If you have a unique accent, prepare for some playful teasing from new friends. Take it in stride. It's all part of getting to know each other. Freshers Week frenzy. The week kicks off with a burst of energy. You're ready to conquer anything university throws your way. Name recall nightmare. As you meet tons of people, remembering names can quickly become a hilarious and frustrating challenge. Don't worry, faces will eventually match personalities. Freshers Week fatigue. All that partying catches up. Sleep is overrated anyway, right? Spoiler alert, wrong. Emotional and physical drain. By the end of Freshers Week, you'll probably feel exhausted. But hey, at least you had fun. Freshers flu strikes. The dreaded freshers flu is a real thing. Be prepared to feel miserable and question your life choices. Don't worry, you'll recover, eventually. Coughing choir camaraderie. Joining the chorus of coughs and sneezes in lectures creates a strange sense of unity. Misery loves company, right? Productivity power up. Once you're well again, you'll be a productivity machine. Make the most of this short-lived burst of energy. Finding your place. University is all about discovering who you are. You might join new clubs, explore different interests, and find your academic passions. It's a journey of self-discovery. University surprise. University might not be exactly what you pictured, but in the best way possible. You'll look back on your pre-departure worries and laugh.